If you found and clicked on this video, that means this feature is really working. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my experience with turning a particular feature off in the YouTube studio. I'll be showing you what it did to my videos and what my overall thought about this feature is. After watching Tech Informant's video, who obviously wasn't among the creators peddling snake oil here on YouTube in the name of content, I decided to venture and try this feature out on my own, and here is the result. This is my YouTube Studio mobile app, and if I go over to latest published content and I click this drop down here and I clicked on ranking by views on this latest published video, you see that in the first 2 days, 9 hours, this video got 620 views, which is one of the videos I turned this feature off for. And if you see the second one, it got 557 views in the first 2 days, 9 hours. These two videos are the videos I've tested this feature on, and they are outperforming others. If you look from number 3 to number 10, you will see how my videos are doing from the first 2 days and 9 hours. They might go on to get views, but I think this feature is working perfectly well for me. Now let's go over to my YouTube studio on the web and let me show you more about this feature. So to find your YouTube studio on the web, you just search for studio.youtube.com. Let's go over to my analytics here on the left panel. I'm going to be clicking on this sign, analytics, and I'll click on see more. So if I come over to where it says traffic source here, I came over here and I was studying my traffic source. Let me just scroll this. And if I look at the external traffic source, the impression click-through rate was not stated. If I look at my YouTube search, the impression click-through rate was 16.8%. If I look at my browse feature, which are the people that my videos are being shown to, the impression click-through rate was 5.6. Playlist, the impression click-through rate was 3.0. And if I look at notifications, it has no impression click-through rate. For the last 28 days, notifications has only gotten 40 views of all my videos, which is quite poor. Now let's go back to my content. Let me show you what this feature is. If I go over to my content tab, so I started turning this feature off for the first 3 videos on my content tab. So I'll click on this first one. If I go over to see more and scroll all the way down, when uploading my videos, I checked this part off that said publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers only. So I turned it off when I was uploading my video, not after I finished uploading my video. And if you don't turn it off when uploading your videos, you can uncheck that. You see it's grayed out. And here is my thought. Before you click off and start running to go turn this feature off in your YouTube studio, I want you to hear me out. I took time and came over to my YouTube studio and studied what I was seeing in my analytics. That gave me the option and I made the decision whether I want to turn this feature on or off. So when I studied this part of my analytics, and I saw that when my videos are published and the notification they get, the click-through rate from it, people are not watching my videos from notification. In the browse feature, mostly the click-through rate is low. I decided to venture into turning this feature off whenever I'm uploading my video, which is your decision to make. I'm not saying you should turn it off. I'm not saying you should turn it on. What I'm saying in essence is that you should study your YouTube studio, study your analytics, see what is working for you, see if you want to turn this feature off or on. For me, I'm going to be turning it off for the rest of my videos in December, of which some of my subscribers are not going to be seeing my video for December. If they see it in my homepage, that will be good. But this feature has given me a lot of views. I'm going to be trying it out for the month of December, and I will come back and show you the result after the month of December. So it's up to you to know, should I turn this feature off? Should I turn it on? It's totally up to you, but you need to study your traffic source. If you see my external traffic source, the views I get from external are way more than the views I get from my browse feature. I used to get views from my browse feature before, but in the last 28 days, the impression click-through rate from the views in my browse feature is just 5.6. But if you look at YouTube search, it's 16.8. And if you look at notification, there isn't much views I'm getting from notification. For notification, I only got 40 views for the 17,000 views I've gotten in the last 28 days. My thought about this is that if you ever decide to turn it off, you should study your traffic source properly and see if it's worth turning off, if it's worth turning on. The whole YouTube journey is just to experiment what works for you and what doesn't work. There are a lot of creators here on YouTube peddling things I don't understand, but I think the best thing you should do is to study what works for you and what doesn't work. For me, for the 3 videos I've turned it off for, if you go back to my YouTube app, for the first 3 videos I've turned this off for, this is the first one on my latest published content. These 3 videos are the videos I've tried this on, and I've turned that feature published to subscriber feed. For me, I felt my subscribers were keeping me stuck, so I needed to try a new thing, and which I was trying. And these first 3 videos, you see the first and the third one worked in the views it got, but the second one not really, maybe because of the content topic. But you should just do it and see what will work for you. I'm not saying you should turn it off, I'm not saying you should turn it on. I don't want to peddle snake oil here on YouTube. I don't want to sell what is not working. I'm here to show you my growth process, what has worked for me and what hasn't worked for me. So far so good. This is what I've seen in my YouTube studio. This one but in particular has wowed me a lot. People are tuning into the videos, a lot of people are watching it. Like, it has wowed me, and it's not published to my subscribers. I don't think my subscribers have seen this video, and in turn it's bringing me more subscribers. It's taking my content to a more wider audience. So it's totally up to you. Do I want to try this out? Do I not want to try this out? Turn on or turn off, it's totally up to you. I'm not saying you should do any. If you ever decide to turn it off, let me know what your experience has been in the comment section. If you look at this video you're watching, you can see the view metrics. I also turned this feature off for this video, which I think is how you found it. So this feature is a default feature which is always on the YouTube studio. You decide whether you want to turn it off or leave it on. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and do have a good one.